so this is base camp for tonight. Pretty good. Alright, so I'm a little uneven, so I got the max tracks again, and I'm gonna level up this sand over here. I want to be about right there. That should help. So I've had this CVT tent for about 8 trips. This is my 8th trip. I've done it kind of end of winter, and now we are second day of fall. And I'm gonna say this is a 4-season tent. Keeps you warm, keeps you dry. And my favorite part is it's all set up. Well, hello there. 7:30. It's time for a late dinner. What am I cooking? I'm gonna do a salmon patty with pasta filled with spinach. Let's roll this. We got some boiling water here. Gonna put this in. This takes about 4 minutes. And this takes about another 3 minutes or so. Alright, there we go. We got Spanish pasta with the salmon.
Yo, it's about 8:30. Both just got finished cooking some good meals. Enjoying the sound of the river over here. Talking about our day tomorrow. We got some good food to cook. Got a lot of fishing to do. Should be perfect weather. But I think we're gonna finish up dinner, retire to our separate quarters, and watch some movies and take it easy the rest of the night. I think we've earned it. We'll see you in the morning.
Absolutely. Morning. It's about 7. Just drinking some coffee. Flying the drone. Just getting ready for the day. Today we are gonna do a lot of fly fishing and a lot of photography. Fall's coming in right now, so a lot of those leaves are turning different colors, and
hopefully today I get to capture some of that good stuff. So, let's roll.
Well, we're doing this.
Oh boy.
You don't want to fall, especially in this deep water. It's almost waist deep. Current's going pretty good. And yeah, I got my backpack on because I got my filters and all my other lenses on, so hopefully we get some good shots today. Oh, we just made it down to the river. We trekked way down there to get to this spot. Well, just heading back to camp. He's losing his footing. I am losing mine too. Oh man, that looks... Oh, don't go any deeper, bro.
I gotta go. I'm almost there. I made it. I made it. Just got off the river. Got a little bit easier way back to camp. Got a little deep there coming up the bridge, but yeah, we got half a mile, 3/4 of a mile to camp, and go back, cook some food, relax, and maybe hit the upper portion of the river this afternoon.
Well, hello, welcome. It's 7:07, and now it's dinner time. Tonight, I'm gonna have fresh king salmon, some minute rice, and a Caesar salad. I'm just gonna let this rice sit on really low heat, and that salmon is cooking. It smells good. All right, so while the salmon's cooking and the rice is doing its thing, I'm gonna mix up my salad. These are my go-to Caesar salad kits. You can't go wrong with this. Let's check this. Alright, so let's check on the rice. Looks good. And the salmon. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Well, this is a good one. Didn't catch any fish on this trip. I had fun. Hanging out with Mother Nature, whiskey, chilling. Thanks for watching. Adventure to Venture, number 8. Peace.